It's moving. Can you see? It's moving.
How is it moving? Can you show me the trick?
Yay! I move like this and I put it like this and move like this. Next one is I have so much. Next one is I have so much gum.
Wait, I will wipe it.
I will show you another trick. My 11 fingers are there.
You have 11 fingers, Chaaranvi?
Yes.
Can you show me?
First, I want to count how many fingers are there in my hands. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers are there. Now I'm going to show you 11 fingers. Now let me count my 11 fingers. Sorry.
Can you count them? Yes.
10, 9.
So like this? Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10.
Now show me your 11th finger.
Here is my 11th finger. Here is my 11th finger.
Don't move. Yeah. Yes, I can see your 11th finger. Yes, it's moving, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you have 11 fingers.
But 10 fingers only. 10 fingers only.
Yes, I can see your trick.
Next one is, next hack is, you have to cut a rectangle shape like this. Next you have to take you can take any currency, but I am going to take rupees 100.
Show me how you are folding.
I am folding like this. Next, I am folding like, oh sorry, here I have to fold like this.
Slowly.
Fold it this way. Now I'm going to punch it with a pen.
But your currency will going to spoil, right?
Nothing will happen.
Really?
Really?
Let me see. Can you punch it? Oh, your currency got hole.
Yeah, my currency got hole. Now I can't buy anything.
You can't buy anything? Even a chocolate also?
No.
Yeah.
Now I will show you my currency
It
note.
has a hole?
It don't have a hole, but the paper will be having hole. This is the hole and this is my note. The hole here, the hole there. See?
Wow. Can you show me the trick? How
Yeah.
it
First, I'm going to take the currency note and fold it like this. Oh no, slowly. Next, you have to fold like this.
Okay.
Next, you have to take the pen and I'm going to open it so you can see it. Now I'm going to punch this way, not this way. My currency will take this way. Now here I'm going to see. Did you see how I punch? The currency here to the back side of the currency note. Not here. The currency will tear. We can't tear currency, right? We can't tear 100 rupees or 2000 rupees or 10 rupees. We can't tear, right? So, this is the trick. The
Now
trick.
show me
Oh
again
no.
your currency. Show me your currency. There
See.
is no hole. There is no punch. Yes. Thank you, Chaaranvi.
The 3 tricks are over. Now it's time to say you bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay still. Bye-bye. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Don't go outside. Please subscribe to